The 2025 Honda ADV 160 has officially launched in Asia, bringing new upgrades and 4 stylish color choices: gray, red, green, and black. Introduced today in Cambodia by Honda NCX, the scooter showcases a modern design paired with high-tech features that enhance both its performance and user experience. One of the standout features is the full LED headlight, which produces strong lighting for night rides. The addition of an emergency stop signal, ESS, in the taillights is a welcome safety measure, signaling when brakes are applied suddenly. A full digital speedometer displays comprehensive information, including speed, distance, fuel level, clock, stoplight indicator, alarm, and fuel efficiency data, giving riders all the information they need at a glance. Braking on the ADV 160 is made safer with the ABS system and wavy disc brakes. This system not only enhances grip on the road but also ensures smooth and controlled braking, especially on varied terrain. Under the hood, the new generation ESP Plus 4-valve, 160 cubic centimeters PGM-FI engine provides improved power and efficiency. The engine delivers a strong, agile performance suitable for both city commutes and adventure riding, without compromising on fuel economy. Safety and convenience features have been upgraded as well. The Honda Smart Key system adds security, allowing riders to locate their bike and preventing theft. The addition of a USB charger in the console box ensures devices remain charged on long trips, enhancing connectivity and convenience. For enhanced comfort, Honda has included twin subtank suspension, absorbing bumps and making for a smoother ride across all terrains. Adding to rider comfort and control, the scooter features an adjustable windscreen that can be set at 2 different heights, giving better wind protection during rides. The 2025 Honda ADV 160 combines performance, safety, and style in a scooter that's ready for both urban and adventure riding. Honda has clearly positioned this model as an ideal choice for riders who value versatility, safety, and connectivity in a premium package. Let us know what you think about the new Honda ADV 160.